Hey, good morning. It's December 31st, last day of the year, last stream of the year. Uh, this is part 3 of episode 3, learning how to code line by line. What we're going to do today is we're going to continue our journey down the rabbit hole called ChatGPT. Uh, well, let's just talk about what happened last stream. Episode 2, we got some nice visitors around uh, Rumtub and Ugworm. They at some point they started talking about, hey, why don't you really code? And so we dropped ChatGPT. We started to like extremely basic HTML coding, extremely basic in the sense of we connected a CSS file to our HTML. We connected a JS file to our HTML. We started we started with some classes, writing down some classes and writing them in CSS as well, defining what the class has. At that point, we were using the color red. Whatever, that's details. But we started coding a little bit. Yes, that is obviously where we're going to go to. That is obviously what this stream is about. But at this point, I'm in the middle of the CS50 course, and I don't yet feel ready to like really dive into the HTML part and the CSS part and the JavaScript part. At this point, the only thing that we'd be doing is get using the input we get from the chat, like getting input from the chat and just applying that to our code. It would not be something we do, but something that we just, follow what the people say. Uh, so because of that reason, I decided that I'm going to put that on hold for a little longer. A little longer. Second reason is I'm trying to still code this website. At this point, I have a website. I can activate it and you can view it, but it's like empty and it doesn't look nice. It's a template we get from the provider, and I don't like that template. I want to make my own website, which is why I really want to continue using ChatGPT a little longer, build something that I would like, and then we can use that code as well to start using it as our source for HTML, as our source for the website, as our source for training ourselves. So we're going to continue using ChatGPT. What we are going to change, however, is we are going to now ask ChatGPT to write the code in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and we're just going to copy and paste it into HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So what I'm doing now is quickly I'm going to open a folder because at this point my Visual Code is trying to connect to the CS50. Hey, no worries, no worries. I was just talking about last stream and that you guys helped me out with a little bit of coding. We'll be here in an hour or so. Yeah, I'll be here in an hour. The stream's going to be again, I think something of 2 hours. So I think you'll manage to be here in time. Let me quickly see. Yeah, this one. Select folder. So yeah, don't worry. Go shopping. I'll see you in an hour. Yeah, what we're going to do, I still want to continue the rabbit hole of ChatGPT. I do want to build this website, but what I am going to do now is I'm going to take your advice and stop building it all in HTML. I'm going to use all the resources that ChatGPT gives us. We're going to build it, and we're going to have a HTML, CSS, and a JavaScript. So we're not just going to keep it with HTML. And then once we have, you know, the when the bulk is done, let me say it like that. When most is done, then we're going to add the details. Write things and maybe add a picture here, move it there, and so on and so forth. And then we can do that in that HTML file. Maybe that will help as well. Or not, we can then open up a new HTML file and do something there as well. So yeah, we're first going to continue with ChatGPT, but the HTML part will be soon. All right, so let's start. I just opened, yeah. Ah, there it is. Yeah. Still playing around with your AI. Open folder. New project. Select folder. All right. Okay, so let's start. Let's pull this one down here and put this one up here. Let me quickly set up the page and let's go. All right. You're going to learn front-end development. Streamer teach gets fired up to learn code. Front-end dev dreams. Okay. We're going to talk about that AI of yours. We're going to talk about that. All right, let's start. Now I'm going to delete this part, except for, of course, the body and the head parts. Oh no, we're going to keep that. Although, yeah, this one. All right, let's start. New chat. ChatGPT. Let's write a website together. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It is blank. No. 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 This is not possible. I don't know why, but I had to choose it. Do you see it now?
Goedemiddag. Hoe kan ik je van dienst zijn?
No. Yeah. Close my phone. Yeah, I don't know why that happened, because as soon as I pressed the display capture button, it just opened the screen. So it must have been something wrong. I don't know why, but whatever. By the way, welcome, Tolga. I missed you. Uh, link this CSS link .js and style.css to index.html. Yellow. All files are in the same folder. Please write full HTML code for linking. I'm getting to write a Chrome extension for me yesterday. There's still time for it to take. Yeah, it's but it's not perfect, but I do like it is very far. Uh, okay. Yeah, I'm not going to write that yet. I'm just going to keep that deleted. Well, you can write it though. At least you can write it. I couldn't write it either. Well, maybe you need to try my friend Chad again. Maybe Chad can help you. This is a tag team because uh, you're the ideas. He's the coder. Maybe you should give it less freedom, but still let it do a lot of the work. Uh, should be placed. Yeah, in the head or the body. So super poor. That's why. Hmm. Hmm. No, I believe in your dev skills. I believe in your dev skills. Make use the code I sent you. Add a background gradient from top left to bottom right. Start with dark purple, end with almost blackish blue. Hello world. Hello COVID. Well, I already did that, so we don't need to do that. Let's see if this works. Copy. It's already finding problems. Is it? Okay, hold on. Oh, darn you. File save. New project index. No, this is bad. This is not what I want. This is not going. This gradient is not going from top left to bottom right. Idiot. Nope. I want this gradient to be a background image, not smaller images stacked. Nope. Is it something I do wrong here? By the way, this is not a blackish color. I need to change that. You need to be more. No, I don't want it to be repetitive. What I want it to be is I want it to start here and just slowly be a gradient to here. Normally, ChatGPT does this right because in the previous times I asked it, it worked pretty well. But now it's not doing it as I want. Now it's just giving me a partial. Can you check MDN docs? Where do I check this? You need to be more open about that. If you want, you can come to Discord, by the way. Search for linear. I don't think you're talking about that. I don't think you're talking about this either. Oh, okay. Linear gradient MDN. Okay. Yeah. No, I understand. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, I like that. I might go with something like this, by the way. I wouldn't look too bad. Should we just do this? And then we can change the RGB values. Hello, Onwards. Thank you for the follow. Save. Okay. Well, still not what I want, but I'm sure we're going to reach it. I think I get it. And maybe because of the height of the body. Go inspect the see the height of it by default. Give body height of Tolga. Give body HTML body height 100 VH code. Let's tell ChatGPT. What's the code to make the body height 100 VH? Yeah, I understand. Yeah, I was just saying it. So, okay. Should I use this code? Okay. Go to your page. Inspect. Yeah, I know. Okay, but so I need to add this part of this code if I'm correct. Why am I not using Control S? Beautiful. Are you a pirate, Tolga? But now it looks better. Now, hold on. Let's do this. Let's go to Burple. And then let's keep the blue here. And let's make a black here. Save. Again. Yeah. I know what you're saying. Save. What would happen if I refresh it? Would it work? Nope. Okay. Maybe I need to make this one darker. It's too light. Save. Okay. This looks a bit better, doesn't it? Font family. But okay. Where do we okay, hold on. Okay. Okay. Write the code for font family Tahoma. Oh, simple. Although I do like Verdana. You can use live server extension for autosave. Let's talk about that in a minute. Let's first do this. Would Verdana... Hi, Sean, AMS Spoker, AM Spoker. Welcome. Thank you for the follow. No, I don't know it. Trust me. Bakloofstuk, I don't know shit, as they would call it. I'm a noob coder, like extremely noob. As you can see, I'm letting ChatGPT do all the coding. I'm asking people to tell me what to do, and I'm learning. I'm like at the basics. This is episode 3, part 3. Well, I'm still episode 3, part 3. So okay. Ah, yeah, okay. I understand. In that case, it would be better to do Tahoma. Save. Well, depends on how far you're into learning. I'm like really, really at the beginning. Okay, so let's just, you know what? Let's do something to have something on the screen. All right. Let's do. I really need to get used to the Control S thing because this is. No, I don't want this. I don't want this. I know there's an easier way of doing that, but yeah, I know. I it's one of those things that I've never used all my life, and now I'm starting to see that Control S is probably something clever to use, because if you're writing a line and then you want to check it, then it's just the extra steps. It's tiring. So I need to get that into my mind using Control S. Unfortunately, uh, because I haven't used it, it's still a little bit of a getting used to thing. Uh, no. Oh, darn you. There you are. Cancel. I know, I am trying to use Control S. Don't yell at a kid that is a finger kid. Yeah, I know. Trust me, I know. Okay, let's continue before we get hit on our head. Yeah, I did. Hello, Kernelist. Thank you for the follow. Finger kid. Not in the plus 18 kind of way, by the way. This is all PG 13. uh, make a menu bar on the top. Page is home. About me. About the stream. Yeah. Yeah. Contact. Make the menu bar black, text white and bold. Block elements and inline elements. Block element. Because it's a block of information. It's not inside the text, you mean? Okay, so copy code. Now we need to put this into the head, I think. Tolga? They are, while in line elements don't. It goes in the body. Everything I display on the screen goes in the body. What? Okay. What goes into the head, though? Everything I display on the screen is body. Okay, but what is the head? Tell me, huh? Tell me now. I would be, no. I don't need to go down the rabbit hole, the Indian rabbit hole. A good intern, but is a bad teacher. I agree on that. I totally agree on that. Don't worry, we have time. We don't, but okay. Okay, hold on. Let me just continue while you're typing. I want you to go down one more. And then let's do Control S, Control S, and then try it again. Oh. Oh, this is bad. Stack the buttons left to right. Hello, John Pantone. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the text, for the chat. Float. You well. Where are you? Ed keeps the metadata of your application. The source is important no matter some stuff till. Okay. So that's everything that the user doesn't see, but is important for the website to run properly or be known. Well, to be identified properly, I would say maybe. Well, Österreich, willkommen. I love Austria. I really do love Austria. Ah, Cotton Candy Asude, welcome. All right, let's see. Okay, hold on. Let's do this first. Then, display flex, justify content. Let's just make it like this. Oh, I could have just copied and pasted it like that. Control S. I don't think I changed anything here, but Control S here as well. Oh, whoa. This looks bad. If you could install VS Code Live Share extension, I can step. Okay, hold on. Come here. Install. Okay. Tolga, tell me what to do. I've installed the extension. It never prompted me to reload VS Code. Oh, there it is. I see. Close this. Come to the, I don't know, go to the tech news channel. I'll pull you into the streaming channel. Or go to the general chat, the audio channel of general chat. I'll pull you from there. Have you muted yourself or? I'm just going to give you a mod because obviously you're one of the most trustworthy people I know. You are still muted, my friend. You don't have permission. Oh, bastard Hakan, he doesn't give you permission. Where are you? Come here. Speak. Ah, there you are. Hmm? Oh, you mean you want me to share it on Discord as well? I've installed Live Share. Share screen on Discord. Screens. You want this screen. Go live. You should be seeing it now. Yes? Hmm? Yeah, you can't hear him on stream. I need to. I don't. When I do that, though, hold on. When I do that, speak, Tolga.
Hello, hello.
Do you hear him now? Ah, perfect. Okay, so I downloaded Live Share, But now people in the chat are saying I also need live server.
No, you don't need that. You go to index.html.
We go to index.html. Then you want me to press the live
Control
share?
Shift P.
Control Shift P.
Type share.
Share.
Yeah, live share sign in.
Live share sign in. Well, let's go GitHub.
GitHub or Microsoft, doesn't matter. I signed in with GitHub as well. Yeah, authorize.
Hadap. Guys, calm down. This guy is an engineering manager. I think he knows a few things. If he says we need live server as well, then we'll start yelling at him. But for the time being, hold your horses. Slow down. Don't ask again for this extension. Come on.
Okay, I think you're already signed in.
Probably.
Do that again, Control Shift P, and type live share. And start a collaboration session here.
Start collaboration session. Okay. Allow access. I'm going to send it via Discord to you, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so it's shared, but there is no participant yet, so you need to participate, I think. Oh, my computer is loving this. At least we don't have any extra drop frames. We've had a few since the beginning of the stream, but not yet a lot. Okay, while we're waiting for Tolga. Ah, there he is. All right. Tell me, darling, what do you want us to do?
Okay. You should see me.
Yeah, I'm seeing you type.
So now let's talk about the block and inline elements. So I create a div here. So divs are block elements. So this is a block element.
Mm-hmm.
And P
Is an inline element.
paragraphs no are also block elements.
Oh, okay.
So if I put another
John, to be honest, I'm leaving the control in Tolga's hands because I know he is the pro in this. So if he wants to work on it, he can work on it for me.
so
Okay, yeah, I understand what
now
you're saying. Block elements push the text down, is what you said.
yeah,
So indeed, if you put another paragraph, it will
actually not the text
push it down.
but the whole content.
Yeah.
Spans are inline elements.
Okay, but what does it do?
You'll see it now.
Oh, okay.
As a And images are inline elements as well. So if I put an image, let me quickly find an image.
Oh, okay. So if you would have used the block and placed the image would go to the next line. But if you put it in line, it just adds it to that line.
Yeah. So now go to the page and refresh.
All right. Control S. Let me just close this. We didn't do anything here, so. Who's Hanko?
It's some
Sans.
website I randomly picked it up.
This is block element. Paragraphs are also block elements. If I put another P here, that will be pushed to the next line. Spans are inline elements as well as a strong tag or a link, and some more inline content here, and images are inline as well. Okay.
Now refresh the page.
Yeah, that's what he says. Block blocks everything and suppresses, just pushes them down. So even if you don't have any more text, it just does as if this line is full and just pushes it to the next line. That's what I understand from this. And inline is, it doesn't
refresh
matter.
the page again, huh?
Inline just continues. Oh wow, what did you do?
I highlighted them so
How
that you
did you do
see.
that? Hold on, I want
You
to
see a
know.
block element that comes. Go to style CSS. There on line
Okay.
30, I said
Yeah.
everything has a border and a margin.
Okay. This looks really retro.
So when you put a block element after another block element, it appears in the next line.
Yeah.
But inline elements appear right after one another in the same line.
Okay. Yeah.
You could see this in your DevTools as well. So inspect
In my what?
an HTML element. You can do it quickly. Yeah.
Let's hold on. Let me just open this page fully,
So
guys.
I have a trick for you.
Yeah.
Do Control Shift C and hover over something.
Okay.
Something smaller. Yeah. You can easily pick here. So while you hover over inline elements and block elements, it's easier to get the feeling of how a block element or an inline element works. So those home, about me, about the stream, all these
Oh,
elements are
yeah.
inline
It
elements.
just blocks the whole line. But these are little blocks that are written inline.
Exactly. So while styling an element, it's very important to know how it takes up space on the page.
Yeah.
You may wanna give a background to the element, a border, or some color, and
Mm.
it may not always react as you like it.
Mm.
And when it doesn't react to the styling as you like it, you give it a background, but it doesn't really work like it. It's mostly most usually it's because how it takes up space on the page. It may be inline element, so the background may not appear as big as you expect it to, or it may be a block element and it may take up the whole line. You will appear inside the line. So it's important to first think how it takes up space on the page.
Okay, by the way, your internet is slowly getting bad. I think the hotel internet is being used by some people to download movies. Let's call them. So
Maybe.
your voice starting to turn
Sorry about
robot.
that.
No, it's not a problem. It's not your fault. But so you know, your voice is turning a little bit robotish. You were saying.
That's it.
That's
So
it.
it's important to think about how your element is going to take up space on the page.
Okay, so John says something about hybrid ones that are also inline but also block elements. What are those?
They are called inline block elements, actually.
Inline block elements. And that is, how should we understand that?
Inline elements don't allow you to set a width and height on the element.
Don't allow you.
So if you go to the style CSS, yes. If you go to the style CSS and give a width or height, let's try giving a height
let's just do this
to
again.
the links.
Okay, so hold on. Let's go to style CSS.
Inside style CSS.
Yes.
Yeah, and try to give height to anchor text. So A.
Okay, you need
A
to.
tag like this. So I want my anchors.
Yeah.
To be red.
Yeah.
And bold.
Yeah.
So refresh the page now. You will see red and bold.
Did you Control S? Yeah. Oh. Oh. So hold on. A link is an anchor.
Yes.
So there are. Hold on. I may have said that as if I understand it, but let me rephrase myself. So we have regular text and we have link. Link is an anchor. What else is an anchor, for instance? Like, what if there would have been other things in this page? What would be affected by this? What kind of things are we talking about?
A means the A tag, which is the anchor tag.
Okay, yeah, I know, but that's what I'm trying to say. What kind of elements in our HTML are also anchors? So a link is an anchor.
Only anchors are anchors.
Yeah, but what define anchors? What are anchors? Which elements are anchors? In layman terms.
A tag is an anchor.
Oh, sorry.
Nothing else.
I see. Oh.
It's a clickable link.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. This one.
A stands for anchor.
Yeah. Sorry. Taking it back. I understand
So yeah,
now.
link is not a term in HTML.
Yeah, I know. It's
That is an anchor. So refresh the page again. I did a little bit.
Refresh the page again. You made it pink. No, you made it white. Or pinkish white.
I made it white, but a little bit of pink here. Pink shadow.
All right.
So we can give IDs to these elements.
Yes. Last stream we talked about that. We talked about classes and we talked about IDs.
Pick the wrapper, and I want its border to be.
Okay, so hashtag wrapper is an ID.
Yeah. So while writing CSS, first you write your CSS selector.
CSS selector. What is that?
And then the properties of it. The first part.
The selector is the first part. Sorry.
Here.
Yeah, it's the selector, and then you have classes.
That's the selector.
And you have.
And then between curly braces, you write your CSS properties.
Yes. Sorry. Yeah, I still need to. It's really memorizing what everything means.
So I want my wrapper to appear like this. I can also give my wrapper a height.
Yeah, but what is the wrapper, by the way? Because I don't remember putting a wrapper somewhere.
It's an index HTML. Go to index HTML on VS Code. line 22.
Oh.
So
Oh,
I
did you?
gave my div a
Okay.
height. I'll just change the height now. 200 pixels. Refresh the page.
Okay.
It works.
Okay,
Now I
so
want
I
to
could
give a
make
height to an
text
inline
blocks
element.
like this. Hmm. Yeah, what I understand, and I think that's what you're also saying, is it's just, you know, a border around the text, a border you set up to make it look pretty, or one part.
I gave a height to the anchor element. If you refresh the page,
Hold on, let's see what you did.
it shouldn't work.
You gave the wrapper, you gave it a height, then you gave the anchor element some stuff in it, and you gave it a height of 100 pixels. Okay. But what did we try to do here?
We gave the link a height too, but it doesn't work because it's an inline element.
Ah, okay. All right.
Inspect it now and see the styles.
Hold on. Inspect, and then it was. Hold on. What's not working? Oh, there it is. And then it was Control P or Control C. Ah, there it is.
Control Shift C.
Yeah.
Yeah, click on it. On the right side, you see the styles of the anchor tag.
Yeah.
Go up, higher.
I can't.
You see the height on 100 pixels?
Yeah.
Change that 100 pixels now.
What do you want me to make from
Maybe
it?
200, 300, 10, anything, 1000. See, it doesn't take effect because this
Yeah.
is an inline.
Okay. But this,
In some cases, you may want to change the.
I want to
In
start
some cases, you may
testing
want
some
to
stuff.
change the appearance, the
Yeah.
behavior of the element. So this is an inline element, but I still want to give a width and height to this.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Also, margins and paddings won't work. You can change the inline or block behavior of an element by CSS property display. This display can be flex, block, inline flex, etc., etc.
Hold on. CSS
We'll start
property
with
display.
block, inline, and inline block.
Where are you? Oh, you're still in the. Oh, you're here. Okay. We were still looking at the web page while you were coding, so.
Yeah, I made an inline block now.
Okay.
It's still an inline element,
Oh, but now it's getting.
but I can use the block elements properties too.
Yeah, and because we made it, we gave it block properties, the text, which could have been written here, is now written here because it blocks this whole line.
Right. And those comments between slash asterisk are comment blocks that are not executed by the CSS engine.
You mean this? Yeah, no, it's a comment.
So yeah.
It's like the exclamation mark thing in HTML.
Exactly. So comment blocks in different languages work in different ways.
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. We made this one too big as well.
Because they are anchors as well.
Oh, because we changed the anchors. Ah, yes. Okay, hold on. Let's play. Control S and F5. No, I changed the wrapper. Sorry. Anchor here. $20 pixel. Come on. Okay.
So let's say you want to change the styling of the anchors, but only the anchors inside your navigation.
Here, you mean yeah? Okay.
Let's do that. So just like IDs, we have another HTML attribute that's called class. We can give these anchors a class.
Hold on. John, please, you can share learning plans as well. I'm taking resources from left and right and trying to come up with my own plan. To give you a little info. I've started doing CS50 course. I'm already enrolled. I also paid the 100 and blah blah dollars just to get that little extra certificate out of it. So I'm doing CS50 on the side. Uh, I'm also doing a little bit of learning on the side myself by using books and internet resources. Well, you can see I have a few resources open here in groups. Well, here for instance. So please do send me your plan. I'd love to read through it. I'd love to see uh, in what way I can use that myself because I'm trying to come up with my own plan a little bit, but by looking at how people do it in the real world as well. So not just, oh, I want to do it my way. No. Please do. I'm just going to put my link here. Go to my Discord. It's in the link tree. Uh, Please share me a private, a DM, or you can even make up a thread. Please do. We have a very small forum on our Discord, a very small one. But make a thread there, please. Maybe people that also want to learn how to code, maybe they can use your plan as well. Put your plan there, please. I'd be happy to see it. Please do share. Please do put it on the Discord. Tolga, back to you.
Got yourself another mentor.
I have to tell you, I'm very happy with the people I got to know. I'm now going to do a little bit of Twitch uh, sharing with you. Uh, Leading up to 11 December, which was December 11th, was my first stream. Leading up to that, I decided, you know what, it's best to also start building up a portfolio of people that stream coding, people that stream game development, whatever, whatnot, to set up a portfolio where I can visit, where I can see what they're doing, to learn from them. But also, when it comes down to, thank you, John. Take care. I hope to see you around more. If you have 2 more minutes, I can finish the story and then you can go like that so you know a little bit of backstory about me. So I started making a portfolio on Twitch. I have I have people now with whom I'm talking. Some are in the biggest brands out there. Uh, Software that we use daily. I'm not going to name names right now, but one of them I can name. It's Umut. Umut Ushirin. I put the link in the chat. He's a Twitch developer. So he works for Twitch, but he also does Twitch streaming. His streams are 90% Turkish, but anyone who joins, anyone who asks something in English will get a perfect response in English. His English is very good and he's very helpful. He really does share what he knows. So I got to know Umut. I also got to know his moderator, Core Functions Initiated, which is also a streamer. He also does Turkish. I don't think that you will want to go watch Turkish stream, but I would suggest going to Umut Usir'in's stream. What Umut did as well was he set up a Discord called Campus. Campus is a community, something that I'm also setting up in my Discord. He, of course, has a bigger community. He's setting up a community of people that share knowledge. Noobs like me have a place. Leets like you have a place. Everyone from zero to hero have a place in this campus. Please go visit it. People also work together. People share ideas. People share problems and get help. So please do visit them at discord.camp.us. But so yeah, I've got to know a lot of very nice people, you included. So thank you for visiting us today. Please join us in the next streams as well, and please join us on Discord as well. You can find all my details, all my information in my link tree, which I posted a minute ago. I'll post it again. Here you go. So yeah, hope to see you around. Tolga.
The anchors in the navigation. Going back to that.
Yeah, anchors in the navigation.
I put some classes in index HTML if you got that.
Yes. Hold on. So what did you do?
Index HTML.
Index HTML. Yes, I'm here. So what did you do here?
You'll see the classes that I put from lines 13 to 18.
Yes, a class navlink. These are navlink.
The anchors.
You gave them the class navlink.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me just make this pretty. This one as well. No, what are you doing? Okay. You don't like it.
Sorry.
All right. I'm listening. You gave them all a class. You gave them the
And
class.
going back to style CSS.
Style CSS. Then you did then you're now coding here. You're referencing navlink, the class navlink, and whatever you're going to put information now is going to affect the class navlink. So all of those buttons.
Exactly. And the way to select the classes is to put a dot before them.
Yes, exactly. A dot is a class and a hashtag is an ID.
Them to have a white background.
Oh. White on white doesn't work. Color black, and now it should work. Yes.
Black on white, yeah.
All right. Now, hold on.
Let's make them appear a bit more like buttons now.
Okay. Are you control S-ing? Oh, yes, you are. Okay.
And I don't want the underlines, so I don't want any text decorations.
Oh, you don't want the subscript. Yeah, it's gone now. Subscript. I mean, the underline.
The borders a bit.
I see what you're doing. Yes. Now, hold on. Beautiful. Thank you that you just touched on this. Can you change the buttons in such a way that it's more rounded at the end, so that it's pretty much a rounded end, but it's a long button, you know? Like,
there are two different ways to give border radius. You can do it like this.
Oh, now you made a comment out of it, and now you're right.
You can give border radius to different borders.
Okay.
Starting from top left, top right, bottom right, and then bottom left.
Oh, I see. Top are now corners, and bottom are rounded.
Actually, like this.
Okay, now
Let's
you
make them
are.
appear like bullets.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. Yes. But hold on. Now, can I just quickly? What is a quick way of making a comment out of it? What's the key binding that you use to turn it?
Control slash. Control
Okay.
slash.
Okay, beautiful. And if I do it here, it changes it. Good, nice. That's what I wanted to know. I'm going to try this. This is what I wanted. This is what I wanted. So, nice. Now, a different question. We talked about rounded corners. What I want to try now, let me quickly just save this and see if everything. Yes. What I want to try now, Tolga, is I want to cut these corners, just the top right and the bottom left corner. So I want to cut the corner and make it look like, I don't know if you.
Well, that's a very tricky question. Actually, let's leave it for another lesson.
All right. Then we just do this as that again.
Go back to index HTML.
Yes.
Yeah. So here we gave classes to all anchors.
Hold on. You gave.
What if you had 100 anchors?
Okay. What if you had 100 anchors? What? In which way? If I had 100 menu buttons.
Then you would need to give 100 classes to 100 anchors.
Mm-hmm.
We don't want that.
Okay.
So what we could do is to go back to style CSS.
Style CSS.
And tell my CSS to select the anchors inside the navigation. Unordered list, list items, anchors, and style them instead.
Okay. So we're pretty
When you
much
refresh the page
doing
now, nothing
what
should
is
change
here.
because
So
we are still selecting the same anchors.
So we're doing what's written here, but we're just adding more information. Like.
Oh yeah, exactly, yeah.
So it's pretty much.
The both can stay.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
a better way to do it would be just put it here,
Yeah,
so
exactly.
you don't have the same code
Exactly.
lying around everywhere.
Exactly. Yes. All right. So did you control S it?
I did. Nothing should change.
No, nothing changes indeed.
Can you put your channel logo as a PNG in the same directory?
Yeah. Hold on. Let me quickly go to my directory. Website resources. I can even give you a favicon if you want. Hold on. Is this?
Actually, I have a better idea.
This is my. This is the logo.
You don't need to. You don't need to. Leave it. Leave it.
Well, it's in it. If you need it, it's in it. It's all capital img underscore HTML. And it's a PNG file.
I put your logo.
You put my... Oh.
Refresh the page.
Yeah, I refreshed.
It's pointing to the TeachMeJS logo on Twitch.
You used the TeachMeJS logo that was on Twitch. Hold on, where did you put that? Did you put it in index? You put it in index.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Nav UL. Okay, so you turned it into like a navigation icon, but because you're not referencing it somewhere, it's not linking to a page. It's just showing up in the nav block.
No, it's not. Exactly.
Okay.
So I wanted to point out to what John just mentioned, actually, you can make anything an anchor. Wrap the HTML element with the anchor tag.
Oh, you're not okay. I see what you're doing. Okay, now if you
And then
TeachMeJS, yeah, exactly. I see what you're doing. So now this picture is turning into an anchor.
this is an anchor. When you click on it, it's going to go there.
Well, now it turned it into a button though. But indeed, it goes to the Twitch. But we now have a button. So maybe we need to change this to something else. Maybe call this something. So would you call this? Hold on. Can I try something? Tolga?
Oh, sure. Go ahead.
Nav. Can I call this logo? I think I can. I don't think that matters what the name is. Does it? And then if I call it like this, if I'm correct, it should delete the button. No, it doesn't. Shit. Okay. I'm trying to
I
understand.
tried something. Can you refresh again?
No, it's the button's still here. Let me just because maybe I
Go to style CSS.
hold on. Let me just
Style CSS
start
doesn't
up
seem
my
to be saved.
index immediately. Go to style CSS. Yes.
Save it,
Oh, save it.
then refresh.
Let's just save this one again for good measure. No, the button's still there. Did I do it right? Like class? No, yeah.
Refreshing it now.
Nope. What are you changing?
Exclude the ones that has an image.
Oh, but hold on. So I think can it be this? Hold on.
Maybe. Yeah.
No, it's not picking it up. It's just,
We could do this.
Sorry?
I'll wrap the other anchors. and then style the button system. Now refresh the page.
I'm refreshing continuously.
HTML wasn't saved.
Yeah, but now it did something with the buttons themselves. Like now the text is not centered, it's not bold, it's not, beautiful as it was.
We have the anchor styled down. That's why
Ah, there it is. Okay, what did we do?
I'll delete that one. Or
Yes, the button is working now. While you're doing that, I'm just going to quickly go screw with what you did here.
it's done.
Okay, so this one is going to be index. No, not was it index? Image HTML. Do. And then we save this. And then if everything is correct, my logo is a bit too big. My logo is a bit too big. Okay, can we make that smaller? Like the logo part, which I just added my logo. Just a little. You don't notice the difference,
Select it
but I have perfect eyes. I can
and give
notice
it
the
just a height.
difference.
Put only a height.
Okay, inspect. What do you want me to do?
You can start at height only or width only.
Huh?
If you give it only a height, then width is going to be set proportionally,
Yeah.
then the other way around.
It can go smaller for the width as well. I don't care. I just want it a bit smaller. Well, a bit. I mean, a lot bit smaller. Hold on. So
Give it an ID inside your HTML and then style that ID inside your style CSS.
sorry.
Give it an ID inside your index HTML and then style that ID
Oh.
in style CSS.
Then do you want me to do something like this? ID is nav logo. Let's keep it nav logo, and then let's go here. I don't know. Hashtag nav logo. Right? Yeah, like that, and then curly braces, and then I want to style it. How do I want to style it, Tolga?
Give it a height.
Okay.
Height. Try height 50 pixels.
Height and then 50 pixels. Control S. Close this. Okay. Let's make it. I may have done something not the right way.
You've given the ID to the anchor tag. Anchor tag is an inline element, so you cannot give it a height.
Okay, so what I have to do is no.
You wanna give the ID to the image tag.
And then call this ID. Is this correct?
No, keep the anchor.
Keep the anchor.
Go back. Control Z.
Okay, let's. Yeah.
move that ID attribute to the image tag.
Oh, okay. Hold on. Then I need to take this away. No, go back. I don't know what went wrong here, but okay. Image, and then we write yes.
You could cut and paste, but yeah.
Yeah, I didn't. Okay. Is this correct now?
Yes.
There it is. Let's make this 7.5. Is it point or is it comma? Ah, we'll see. I don't care. Let's test. Oh,
It's
darn you. It's
point, but you don't want to give decimal pixels.
Oh, this is too small.
What you can do is inspect the element on Chrome.
I'm almost there. This is as big as I wanted.
Focus Chrome, Control-Shift-C, do a Control-Shift-C.
Yes?
You don't need to inspect first. You could directly do a Control-Shift-C.
No, I didn't know.
Click on the element that you want to style.
Yeah?
On the right side, you see the element style.
Yeah?
Above that, on that logo.
Yeah, but this is too, no. 40 was good.
Yeah, you can just directly set it here, and when you like it, just go back to the code
And then
paste
change
there.
it in my, change it in VS Code. Okay.
Yeah, you can also
Okay.
add new properties here and see it on React.
You can do, sorry, say again?
You can also add new properties, then set those properties and see how it reacts and how it appears, and then copy paste the code.
Okay. Nice. That was a big lesson today. Thank you.
Maybe delete the lines between 39 and 42.
This one.
Yeah.
And then save this.
Now you have something prettier.
Oh, you took away the borders. Okay, why is this looks weird. Let's go and see.
Those dots come from the list elements. So let me show you. Let's create another unordered list. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Which dots though? I'm not talking about the dots, I'm talking about the E's. They look a bit weird. The
They are
last
dots.
part. Oh, they are dots.
There are dots above them. That's why.
Oh.
Yeah, refresh the page now. You'll see the new list.
I see what you're saying. These dots.
Exactly.
And how do we remove the dots?
So what you can do is to I go to line 37.
37. Oh, you mean in style? Yeah. Okay.
And remove the list style type.
Yeah, now it's gone. Now it looks better. Indeed. Then we can remove this list again. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's remove this. Control S, F5.
But actually, you cannot see those dots inside list items, if you inspect on Chrome, they don't appear as different elements or something. So that would be really, really difficult for you to find it. I had it before. That was pure experience.
Okay. All right. Well, today we wanted ChatGPT. We got Tolga GPT. So where are you, by the way?
I'm in Vilnius,
Where?
Lithuania.
Ah, a little small vacation again. All right,
Yep, for Christmas.
Tolga, I'm going to hang you today.
Hang me?
Yeah, I'm going to hang up. Slowly getting to the end of today's stream. No, no, no. I'm not going to hang you in the sense of hang you with a rope. No, never. No, ladies and gentlemen, today indeed our goal was
Okay,
to
great.
do.
It was a pleasure. I'm gonna drop off from Discord.
Yeah, we'll talk with you in a minute. So, oh, Helpium, thank you for rating. Welcome, welcome anyone who's coming with Helpium to our stream. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is Hakan. TeachMeJS. I'm a noob coder, and I'm learning how to code line by line from zero to hero in 60 seconds. I get help from friends like Hackdonalds, Tolga. I get help from our dear viewers, from our dear followers. We've had a few in the last few days: Ergworm, Illusomtub, CFI, and many more. And they help me learn how to code. And welcome. Hope we can teach you or learn from you. Please follow and don't be shy to ask questions or write something in the chat. I'm really open to everything, suggestions, but also questions. Tolga. No, you've already left. Okay. Well, ladies and gentlemen, yeah, you're here. I mean, you left Discord. Ladies and gentlemen, you just arrived just in time, but I'm hanging up. Today is it's December 31st, last day of the year. I wanted to fit in a quick stream today, 1.5, 2 hours. Well, we've reached the 1.5 hour mark. ChatGPT. We started off a little bit with ChatGPT. Then we got great help from Tolga Hackdonalds. We also got some great help from other newfound friends, John Pantone, for instance, Baklava Fıstık, for instance. They assisted us, they helped us, they gave us very good information. We learned some new things today. Again, we learned how to, well, to make buttons and you know, add our logo, classes, IDs, block elements, inline elements, hybrid elements, how they work, what they do on the page. We managed to get our gradient going. Weirdly enough, I really like it. It's a different color for me. Maybe I need to change a little bit the black, but we're slowly getting there. So yeah, that's I think it for today. I would say. Let's see who we can raid today, if there is anyone to raid. That is. If there is anyone to raid, that is. Oh, my own sound. I need to let's stop desktop audio. Show more recommended channels. No. Browse. Software and game development. Let's send you somewhere nice. Let's send you somewhere Spanish. No. Let's just send you here. Someone is trying to break Azure. All right, where are you? You're here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please stick around. Let me just switch to just chatting quickly as well. Please stick around. We're going to raid B7H30. Why do I have a feeling that this is a chemical formulation of some kind? As a chemist, I should know, but whatever. We're going to raid him. Please stick around. Say hi from me. We're having a stream tomorrow as well. Tomorrow, a bit later, 4 p.m. Central European time. Please give me some time to wake up after a New Year's Eve. Uh, so please, I hope to see you again tomorrow, 4 p.m. We're going to continue a little bit with ChatGPT. We're going to build on top of what we have right now, make it nicer. We already have a code going. I like the gradient, like I said, but we're just going to mix and mash stuff that we get from ChatGPT and try to build something bigger. You will be on a plane or hating your life on a train back home. Good luck tomorrow. Well, don't hate your life. I hate your life even more. So, no, I'm just joking. Tolga is one of our great friends of the stream. Really love him. Can I say what your profession is, what you do, where you live, where you work? Well, not where you live, but